a day in our lives as a biz-based students.
Hello guys! Welcome and good afternoon to those who are watching. We're here today at Coffee Moto and we're here to conduct an interview for some members of PhilHealth program. So tara! Let's go! Tara!
Good afternoon, sir. I am Flora Mistoki from Crystal Lake College, taking the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. And we're here today together with my fellow classmates to conduct an interview for some members of Social Insurance Program.
Okay. And we are specified to interview a member of PhilHealth, but we also want to know what social insurance or public assistance program are you currently part of aside from PhilHealth, sir?
So I do have the SSS. Yeah, so SSS and Pag-ibig, of course, and PhilHealth.
Sir, and how did you become a member of PhilHealth, sir?
Well, it's since I started to have my work. So it requires for a company to have those kind of benefits for Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and SSS. That's a monthly contribution by the company and by the employer, or employees rather.
What services or support have you received from this program, sir, from PhilHealth?
Well, for PhilHealth, of course, that's you can use that for medication. So if you have a needed in a hospitalization, so PhilHealth can cover some certain amount when you bill out for hospitalization, but not all. So it's a small amount, it's not big. So sometimes they will deduct certain amount from your total bill before you check out or discharge in a hospital. So that's the benefits.
In your experience, sir, what are the strengths or benefits of this program?
Strengths? Well, like what I said, so it's you can get a discount. Well, not the big discount, small discount, certain discounts for your hospital bills. Like I have my consultation at Agenia Hospital this past few months. So they cover the doctor's fee. So they charge us to the PhilHealth. So the benefits, I came out to the hospital and I don't pay nothing.
So what challenges or problems have you encountered while availing of the services, sir?
Challenges, I can't say no challenge here at all. It's because you need to just fill up the forms. Fill up the forms, give them the correct details, your PhilHealth number, sign the forms, etc. And the cashier or the members of the hospital or the administration of the hospital, they will deduct and they will tell you how much you save from the bills, and that's it. There's no challenges. The challenges is that if you did not a member maybe of the government programs or
So no delay, sir, processing?
Because I have my own company that time, yeah, and I'm very we're always paying it on time, so I don't think it will have a delay. And I'm paying it for almost 20 years. Yeah.
Next is, how has the program affected your life or the life of your family, sir?
Life of the family, of course, it's a good, I would say, investment also. It's like the SS Pag-ibig is because if you have a job, that's a requirement. Right? And if you don't have a job, so you can do a self-contribution for those kind of government sectors. Right? So the benefits, like what I was saying, benefits.
How has the program
there's not too much big there's not too much big impact to my life. It's because you pay that money to the government, and of course governments need us to give us the money that we put that into, diba?
So, for you, sir, what improvements would you suggest to make the program more effective?
Improvements, maybe they increase the limits or increase the amounts of each contributors, so that zero bill that need to be paid by the Filipino individuals. It's because we have a lot of funds in the government, but the problem is this government is very corrupt. That's why if you pay your PhilHealth, you can get a minimum or very low disbursement or reimbursement to the company and to the hospitals. But the Philippine government can pay more than what we deserve if you're a member. It's because imagine if you're paying 1,000 pesos per month, or let's say 500 pesos per month, times 30, times 1 year. And if your contribution is more than 20 years, diba? So imagine that how much in the one time hospital mo, and how much are they going to give you? 3,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. Is that fair? Of course it's not. So it's like this is the only government that we can say na you contribute. It's parang you put the money in our bank to them, to government, and yet if you need the money, mahihirapan ka pang i-claim, right? So that's corruption. That's the challenge.
The last question, sir. Do you feel that your needs are being adequately addressed through this program? Why or why not?
I cannot say no, because you can get few. I cannot say yes. It's because they cannot cover the whole amount that you needed in a hospital. PhilHealth is for the people. PhilHealth is for the health. Okay? Not like in other countries. They covered some medicines. They covered some surgery. Okay, for example, in Brunei, so I live in Brunei for quite times. So they covered everything for medicines, for checkup of my daughter. But like here in Philippines, they will still charge you, even though kahit poor ka, so they will still charge you. Okay, so the program is good. The program is a good intention for Filipino people, but the management is just I could say not doing their jobs. It's because they think just for their own sake. How about for those young Filipinos or small Filipinos, diba? So yeah, so that's it.
That's good, GL, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So follow us, ha? Check.
After learning about PhilHealth program for our interviewee, we realized how important this program is for people who are struggling for their hospital bills.
Hearing these stories made us appreciate of the value of the health protection.
It touched us to see how much they depend on PhilHealth during the hard time.
So from now on, we want to support and promote programs to give every Filipino a fair chance to receive a proper health care. That's all. Thank you.
Bawat Pilipino, miyembro. Bawat miyembro, protektado. Kalusugan natin, sigurado.